This is it! We made it to the summit of Mount Pulag, the highest mountain in Luzon. Rewind muna tayo. Before going up, may head count pa dito. So, ipapakita mo lang yung tatak ng kamay mo. 2:30 a.m., narating na namin yung Camp 1. And at 4 a.m. naman, nakarating na kami sa Camp 2. Lakad again, and finally, we went up Peak 2. Kasi later na lang daw kami sa summit. Dito na namin inentay yung sunrise. And look at this. Grabe. Super ganda. Some who climb do not get a clearing. Buti na lang na tsempohan namin because the weather is unpredictable. My hike at Mount Pulag wasn't really about the videos. It wasn't about the perfect sunrise photo or the aesthetic reels. It's about what the mountain takes out of you and what it builds in you. While going through the trail, may mga pabalik na kasi okay na daw sa peak lang sila, sapat na daw yun. Yung iba naman, di na tinapos kasi di na kaya. May iba naman, goal talaga is summit kahit pagod, kahit malamig. And you know what? Lahat sila may kanya-kanyang dahilan. Lahat may kanya-kanyang kwento. Ganito rin sa buhay. May mga tao na hanggang okay na ako dito, may mga content na sa small wins. May mga lalaban din naman talaga hanggang sa dulo. Different pacing, different goals, different battles. Pero ang mahalaga, you climb your own mountain with intention. Around 6:30 a.m., inakyat na namin yung summit para sana makapagpa-picture sa may signage. Pero grabe yung pila. Naghintay yata kami ng 1 hour just to take a picture dito. After that, bumaba na agad kami. Binilisan na lang din namin kasi magcha-check out pa kami ng 12 a.m. So, our hike took 9 hours and 30 minutes. Included na yung paghintay namin sa sunrise, rest stops, and paghintay dito sa summit. Level 3/10 ang difficulty nitong hike for me kasi masakit sa paa yung trail. More on rocks kasi siya. Kahit naka-double socks na ako, sumakit pa rin pero manageable naman. And yung lamig talaga sa start ng hike, masakit sa mata yung hangin, tapos inaantok pa ako. Pero all in all, super worth it talaga ng experience. One last stop, the Mossy Forest. Super ganda din and yun, nagpicture lang din kami, tapos naglakad na ulit. And we finally made it to where you can ride a motorcycle pababa. Habal ang tawag dito. Pero di na kami naghabal kasi malapit na lang din naman. Less than 1 kilometer walk and tada! We are back. We made it. Thank you for watching. Bye!